Hello and welcome to Street Famous Photoshop tutorial number 4. In this tutorial we're going to jump and we're going to go to, instead of the photo Dave Hill type effect thing, we're going to go to website design. In this tutorial I'm going to show you Photoshop website design. Real quick, we're going to make a website. We have less than 10 minutes, probably have 9 minutes and 40 seconds now, so let's get started. Just follow along, watch. I'm going to kind of narrate as the time goes on. My width is going to be 1001. My height is going to be 850. Resolution is going to be 72 for good loading times for browsers and internet. When after you slice the template and code it, it will be able to be seen in the browser. Okay, let's go ahead and see. Let's create the background. Okay, let's call this background. And we're going to call layer 1 header and footer for another layer, and body for content area. Okay, so let's do the background first, is what we want done. So we have the background black for now. We will add some effect. So let's do a switch color so we can actually see where our header placement is. Well, that's good for now. Now let's do our footer and our footer. So basically now we have a template of what we'll be actually working with. We got header, body, and background, and footer. So let's go ahead and work on the header right now. So we're going to open up the layers style panel. I'm going to go to move this over. We need to go through this fast as we're limited on time. So let's see, move this in the middle. I'm going to go with blue for this one. Let's go a little bit lighter. Okay, we need to delete this. And press OK. We will be coming back to this and messing with it more. Let's go ahead and add a stroke. And we'll make it white for now. Make it smaller. Let's make it 2. Okay, so we got our header. Now let's work on the background. Let's also go with the granite. Let's go with some blue. There we go. We need to go darker, so right there. Bam. For now. Okay, now let's work on the footer. We'll go through each layer and add its own settings, and then we will revise it from there. Let's go to add a white line. We're going to keep that at 1 pixel. And we're going to add some effect onto this. Okay, we got that. Let's go ahead and move up to this. We're going to do a drop down. Take off global lighting, go to 90 degrees, give some distance, about 10, spread some in size, and then we're going to down it, the spread, and that looks good for now. Okay, go back to header layer styles again. Do some bevel and emboss. We need to change the global lighting 90 degrees. Let's go to 40 degrees for that. Size and depth. We'll soften. Take off the darkness. Lighten it more. Let's fade that in a little bit. Press OK. We'll go ahead and make a overlay for this, and we'll make it the blue that this is. We'll go ahead and select this by pressing Control and left clicking onto that. We actually select that layer. Sorry if I'm not commentating enough. Basically, I'm just trying to go through here and make this site as fast as possible for you so you understand how this all works. I'm going to go ahead and copy this layer style and go up here to the header and actually paste it onto here, as I don't like what it's looking like so far. So there we go. And then we're going to actually create a new layer and then control and click onto that so it selects that. I'm going to go with that same color overlay with that. And we're going to fade it. We'll give it a 32% opacity. We'll go ahead and do that with the footer also. And that's going to be 32. And I think we're running out of time. Let's see. System. And then we got system there. And then we're going to go control here. And we're going to make control smaller to give it some type of design aspect. Throwing something in there, make it better. Okay, we need a content area, so we got that. We need content. Okay, so content, we're going to go ahead and place the box right here for the content. It's okay, you can center it later. It's not a big deal. Let's go ahead and rasterize this. And we're going to move it over a little bit. Looks fine. Now let's add some effects to this. So let's get some. No, we don't want bevel and bars. Let's go ahead and granite this one again. The others. And I need to go a lighter with this one. So let's go up here. That looks good. Press OK. OK. Will look good for now. Now let's go ahead and make a dark box. Inbox right here. I'm going to make this white actually. Now for the sake of time, I'm not going to name this layer because I think we're just about out of time. But like I said, there's so much you can do with the website. It's ridiculous as far as creating it. Ideas are endless. Anything you can think of, you can do, if not more than what you can think of. Let's go ahead and press OK. See how that looks. Okay, so you got an inner border here, and you have the name up here. We could add more, but we're just out of time. So this was Street Famous tutorial number 4. We went over basic Photoshop web design skills for the designing part. Now the next tutorial I'll teach you how to slice it and making it functionable. So hope to catch you guys back soon. So big shout out Street Famous Laced Diz. Follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/streetfamous. Rate, comment, tell me if you like it, don't like it, whatever. Alright, thank you so much.